Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Have you ever heard of avocado and spirulina smoothie? People are getting more and more into natural recipes and treatments, and it is not for nothing. Many people are adopting this curious combination of avocado and spirulina. Did you know that this mixture can help you lose weight? In today's video, you will learn about the benefits of spirulina and also learn how to make this delicious combo. Spirulina is still an unknown ingredient for most people. It is considered a superfood and can be used in different ways. Rich in nutrients and with a powerful antioxidant property, this blue-green algae is rich in proteins and is also a good source of iron. Because it is antioxidant, spirulina improves the immune system, reduces triglycerides and blood cholesterol, controls blood pressure, helps with muscle mass gain, and fights candidiasis. Amazing, isn't it? Are you enjoying this video? Then give it a thumbs up to help the channel. Now that you know the benefits of spirulina and already know the benefits of avocado, since we made a video about it, and even how to choose it when buying, you will learn how to make this amazing mixture for a nutritious breakfast. 1 small avocado or half an avocado, 1 banana, 1 date, 1 teaspoon spirulina, 1 cup coconut water, more if necessary, handful of ice cubes. Making it is very simple. Put all ingredients in a blender and mix until smooth. Add more coconut water if the mixture is too thick. Serve immediately. Really simple, isn't it? This combo causes satiety and gives energy. Perfect to start your day. If you combine this smoothie with good eating habits and physical activities, you will notice a boost in your weight loss. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.